Welcome! Today we're going to the beach and I'm trying to make another vlog. If it's gonna work, no clue. We will see. Hopefully it's gonna work. So I bring you with me, trying. Hopefully I don't forget. Oopsie. Okay, bye. I have another cherry if you want to know. Really? Sasha, what are you doing?
Packing the boards.
Wow, you're doing such a great job, Sasha.
Thank you. I'm very proud of myself.
Yes, you should be.
Thank you.
Yes. What are you guys doing?
Taking it off.
Stealing it.
Trying to take it off.
Hello, animals.
So we had a flat tire. That's no problem for us. We have this car over there, the black one. And we have this car here. And look at them, they have a lot of fun.
Hey, hey! Follow the back.
Now everyone is happy and we're going to the beach.
But first we're gonna get snack.
Was like water in my hands. I guess there's nothing left to say. Never thought that I would have to let you go. I wish that I could make you stay. I will break your fall. Even if you don't love me.
Pizza! What the fuck? Okay, look at the difference. I was like, should I get cookies? And he's like, I got pizza.
Even if you don't love me.
Yoo-hoo! Hello! No, I'm not.
Even if you don't love me, I will break your fall. Even if you don't love me, even if you
Hello! Buddy, where we are? Are we at the sea? Are we at the beach?
Yes.
Are you having fun as well, Mommy? Yes. Jade!
I'm finally understanding it!
Hello! There are the real queenies.
We bought Sasha's board!
Wow!
Sasha!
I feel what you are a bit what. Really? Really pretty shot. Hard to tell.
Just so natural for me.
Oh.
But Eline is going to surf.
I don't like talking to a camera, but I do like talking to a camera. It feels a bit temporary. Hi! So I said earlier, I forgot to close the fucking vlog. So I'm closing it down. Bye! We had a nice beach day and then we ate a lot of food.
Oh yeah,
I got
with a lot of
cook.
snackies.
With a lot of snackies. A lot of cookies.
And then she made dinner.
And I made dinner.
And it was really, she does a good job.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I learned from the best.
Sure.
Okay. Bye. No, I'm rolling. They see me rolling. You can't go further than this.
I'm stuck.